To enable the impact notification and strong impact video upload setting, go to Dashcam Settings, then Network Function Settings. Here, we can first enable the strong impact notification while driving for Impact 1 or 2. Impact 1 will detect impacts with a G-force value of 3 or higher, and Impact 2 will detect impacts with a G-force value of 4 or higher. Below that, we can enable the video upload option and the impact notification while parked option. In the event of an impact to your vehicle, this alert feature allows you and others to be notified of it. Any person logged into the same Thinkware account can receive the notification if an impact is detected and will have access to see the location of the vehicle and can see a remote live view of what is happening. A strong impact is considered an impact with a G-force level greater than 3 or 4. When the car experiences an impact this strong, whether driving or parked, the dashcam will send the notification and will also automatically upload a 20-second video of the incident to your Thinkware Cloud app, with 10 seconds before the impact and 10 seconds after.